Small crop spraying aircraft like this have made significant contributions to this country's ability to produce food. The National Science Foundation estimates that more than 1/3 of worldwide crops are lost each year to various pests. As of last year, some 8,600 fixed and rotary wing aircraft dispensed insecticides as well as seeds and fertilizers over 180 million acres of croplands in the U.S. alone. Although the aircraft themselves have improved, they still use applications technology developed in the 1940s. Now, NASA is involved in a research effort using full-scale wind tunnels and other facilities in an attempt to solve some of the problems that crop dusting pilots have faced for years. Dr. Bruce Holmes, in the Flight Research Division at NASA's Langley Research Center, is manager of the program.
We're studying several different areas, different aspects of the aerial application industry problems. These areas include studies of airplane wakes and how materials are affected in this, how sprays, for example, are affected in the wake behind the airplane. We're also studying airplane aerodynamics and handling qualities characteristics to try and improve handling qualities and fuel efficiency, as well as overall airplane performance. We're also studying the dispersal systems and how they perform, both liquid and dry systems. In addition, we would like to look for better ways to measure spray patterns from airplanes. All of these areas of work, we hope, will lead to both near-term solutions to some of the existing problems I've described, as well as provide airplane designers in the future with better techniques for designing airplanes that are specifically suited for aerial applications work.
At the Vortex Research Facility, engineers study the swirling patterns of air that trail along behind the aircraft. Because these air currents affect the uniformity of application and cause chemicals to drift during spraying, they are prime targets for improvement. Researchers are hopeful they can make the vortices work for them as the plane flies along. Loading the scale model with polystyrene or glass beads, then applying double-sided tape to the floor, researchers can simulate spray patterns by actually counting the particles that stick to the tape. In addition to the full-scale tunnel and vortex facility work, promising concepts coming out of that research will become part of actual flight tests in the near future. From these will come important pilot comments, as well as a chance to measure effects on dispersal patterns and overall airplane performance. Research on crop dusters, aircraft that fly as close as possible to Earth to increase agricultural productivity.